Good evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are now in Mission Beach and we are staying at Jackaroo Tree House, and it's literally in the middle of the rainforest. I don't know if you can hear the sounds very well here, but it is insane and it's so quiet. I'm just going to show you around, but honestly it's insane. We're walking to dinner. It's about a 20-minute walk. Just come from up there. That's where the hostel is. Yeah, we've drowned ourselves in mosquito spray. We need to go and get some more tomorrow. Look at the sky. Wow. We have made it. Let's see what it's like in here. Looks cute. Yeah. This is the biggest burger I have ever seen in my life. Yours has gone a bit wonky.
And now connected with the Wi-Fi from your phone. It's super kind guys again.
Good morning. We are off on a hike today. Lauren's trying to find out the name of it.
Bicton Hill.
Oh lovely, we're off to Bicton Hill. Is it an hour hike?
I think it's about an hour and a half hike.
But
Yeah.
apparently the views up there are unbelievable. So we're going to do that on a Cocoa Pop bar because that's all we've got for breakfast.
Yeah, the nearest
shop's miles away. We're going with our friend Seabold that we made at Cairns because he's here with us. Yeah.
Should be good. I'm nervous. I'm not really a hiker, so I'll take you on a little journey.
So we made it to the top. We didn't wait around too long because Lauren's being eaten alive by mosquitoes, so we're on the way back down.
And then one there and one. And we've been walking for 2¼ hours and I've burnt 500 calories.
We're on the way down and we've got about 10 minutes to go, and then we're going to go and see the most insane beach with some turtles.
Hello again, this time coming to you from Bingle Bay Beach, and it's where the rainforest meets the ocean, and it's insane. You can't even tell the size of that. That is what we climbed earlier. You can't even tell the size of it on this. It looks really small, but it's not. In real life it's huge, and it's lined with palm trees. So we did our hike this morning and it took us about, I'd say about 2 hours we were out for, 2½ hours. And I burnt 500 calories, which was insane. But it was good. The view was insane, obviously, as you saw earlier. And yeah, so we've just been chilling on the beach. Now we're going to go to another beach and walk along the jetty and hopefully see some turtles, because we didn't see any turtles on our dive, but other people did, so we feel like the only people that haven't seen them. So we're going to go and try and see some. But yeah, just chilling on the beach. Say hi.
We are knackered.
We just walked the ½ an hour that I said about, to come and see some turtles. We haven't seen any.
So we come back tomorrow on bikes, but our friend is leaving tomorrow morning, so it'll be just the two of us.
So
we've walked half an hour away from the
barbecue.
beach barbecue that we needed for dinner. I was sure there'd be one here. Apparently there's bull sharks around here, which is
Tiger
really
sharks.
Bull sharks.
No, he said tiger sharks.
Let's bet some money because no, he said bull sharks.
Okay. I bet $50. $50. That's
Neither of us have got $50, so
okay. I bet $10.
$10.
Okay. Let's go see. What sharks did you say were circling around here? Was it tiger or bull?
Yeah, so it's like 4 or 5 meter tiger sharks.
Turn around. Confident, were we?
He said bull sharks.
So she bet me $10.
Tiger sharks also, you know.
What did you say?
Yeah.
Bull sharks?
You said tiger. $10 for me. We have made it to the barbecue and I've got a heat rash on my chin, so that is not very nice to look at, so I'm sorry about that. And we're using sticks because they didn't bring any utensils at all. No knives to cut the tomatoes.
Quite fun. We're going to bite our tomato.
Nothing but sticks. So my bites have swollen. They were the two that I showed you guys earlier. I'm kind of allergic to them, so look at that. They're so bad. It's like a seal.
Where are you today? Just off up there.
Show me how you're doing the tomato. Cheers! Beach burgers.
Stick burgers. For the win.
Anyone want any tomato in their burger?
Cheers. I don't know if you're in it.
Good morning from me and yet another ridiculous helmet. We are out on a bike ride today. We're on mountain bikes. It's
Yesterday and I've got her out exercising again.
I just, why? Heading for a pit stop. I really fancy an orange juice and this place does the best. Hello. We just had
That doesn't work.
a little pit stop. It does work. Don't come.
I can't.
A little shrink. Just shrunk down because we can't find anything else for the camera. We just got a little orange juice.
We've just filmed a video to our family, well, my sisters. We've been doing like sort of vlogs of our days back and forth to each other.
So it feels like FaceTime. But
It's really nice, isn't it?
We've just filmed a 10-minute long video. But now we're going to go and get back on the bikes. Ready for my legs.
Look at the state of us. We are out on our bike ride with our helmets on. Noggin.
We just went back to the jetty that we went to yesterday when we did that extra half-an-hour walk and we didn't see any turtles. And today we saw
so many turtles. Oh my god.
We saw loads.
It's literally all we've wanted to see since we got here is a real turtle out in the ocean doing its thing. They were all coming up to breathe and it just...
Yeah, come up so quickly, don't they? They literally go and then they go down.
Because it's a bit overcast today, the water's not that clear.
And the water's murky as well, isn't it? It's a bit, I feel like the sand's coming up.
Yeah.
So once they've gone back down, you can see them for a bit and then they're gone. So I was trying to zoom in on some, but I mean, we got to see them.
Crossed.
One was so close to us as well. We didn't get that on film, but
oh
I saw
my
it
god,
with my eyes.
literally
and
like
just
10 meters away. Just
yeah. So
yeah,
that's our first turtles sighting done.
We're knackered already, but we're going to carry on riding into the town, see what that's about, and then I think we're going to have another barbecue to finish off the meat we've got left over from yesterday.
Yeah.
Bit of energy, and then carry on along to South Mission Beach where there's a boardwalk which is meant to be sick.
Yeah. It's windy, but we're back at another barbecue with the chef.
Good looking. What you got cooking?
Burgers.
Stop slapping them because you're bored.
Taste the burger.
Oh,
Good? Was I a good chef?
oh, it's so.
Cheers. We have finished our bike ride and we are back at the hostel. We both got these hats and we are now just going to go for a swim because we haven't actually been in the pool yet. So we're just going to go for a swim in there and have a really relaxed evening because, well, I'm exhausted for one. Good morning.
Good morning.
We have been up since 7 AM today because our Greyhound bus is at 8:55. We need to pack. We've got one more bag this time because you have to shop here before you get to the island because we're going to Magnetic Island, and on Magnetic Island there's like one shop and it's small apparently.
And a half an hour walk.
But we've loved our time here.
I wish we had longer. I would have liked to have done the water rafting here, now that apparently I love the water.
Yeah, we're going to feel that everywhere we go. Everywhere we go I think we're going to be like, oh, I wish we had a little bit longer, but yeah, that's us signing out from Mission Beach.
See ya.
We do a peace sign every time, so.
Yeah, sorry, bye.